our first example with law of sines is going to be this triangle that you see here. It has two angles and one side given to us. So if we were going back to geometry and thinking about which one of these it would be, we'd have angle, angle, side. We just kind of go right in a row. So we're really dealing with this one, but it also applies to that. We're going to be doing those types in the exact same way. So this is a combo for both of them in this particular example. We need to find all the missing pieces. It looks like we have to find angle C. We're going to find little c and little a. I would start with big C because that's going to be the easiest one. We know that a triangle adds up to 180 degrees, so I can just subtract those two from 180. And what I find is 59 degrees for angle C. So that's what we have up here. We can now have one of our parts as 59 degrees. Okay, so one down, two to go. To find the side lengths, now we're going to use the pair that we have with both of them present, so big B, and 92 is actually considered little b in this case. We're going to use those values and set up the law of sines. Now I think here, because we're doing the side lengths, let's put those in the numerator of the fractions. Let's flip it around. I think that's just easier to work out the algebra that way. We will take the pair that we have, though, and we'll call it 92 divided by sine 40. And we're going to set that equal to whatever pair we like to start with. Maybe let's start with A. So little a over sine of 81. Just a reminder right now when we're working with these trig functions that we want to have it in degree mode at this point. So saving the algebra, we cross multiply and solve for a, but I think that you're probably able to do that on your own. Maybe you pause and try it if you want to right now, but I'll leave the details out. Little a ends up being about 141.4. We're going to set up a very similar equation for finding c. So again, 92 over sine 40 equals little c over, well, we found it to be 59. We need that information. And so we get this one set up. Now we solve for c just like last time, and we end up getting 122.7 units for c.